Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Daily Weather Briefing. Highlights of the Daily Weather Briefing are that a wet spell is likely over Northeast India on 20th and 21st of February, when scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is very likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, with isolated heavy rainfall likelihood over Arunachal Pradesh on 20th of February. And also there is a wet spell approaching over western Himalayan region, when scattered to fairly widespread rainfall and snowfall is likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and isolated light rainfall is likely over Punjab, Haryana and North Rajasthan on 22nd and 23rd of February 2022. If we look into observed rainfall during past 24 hours ending at 8:30 hours IST of today, then under the influence of cyclonic circulation over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea and equatorial Indian Ocean, fairly widespread rainfall has been observed over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, with 5 centimeter rainfall over Long Island and Port Blair, and 1 centimeter rainfall has been reported over Car Nicobar and Maya Bandar. Except this, isolated light rainfall has been observed over Jammu Kashmir, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal. If we look into the synoptic systems today, then the only major synoptic system today is the cyclonic circulation over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Andaman Sea, under the influence of which there is likelihood of today again fairly widespread rainfall over Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And as this cyclonic circulation over Southeast Bay and adjoining North Andaman Sea becomes less marked by tomorrow, then the rainfall activity over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands would decrease substantially into just isolated light rainfall. And as we have seen in the highlights, that a wet spell is approaching over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, under the influence of confluence between lower level westerlies and lower level easterlies. And so under its influence on 20th and 21st, as we can see in the warning map here, that there is a likelihood of thunderstorm and lightning over all these three subdivisions of Northeast India. And also on 20th there is likelihood of thunderstorm and lightning over West Bengal and Sikkim. On 20th of February there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh as well. And also there is likelihood of hailstorm activity over eastern parts of Arunachal Pradesh as well as northeastern parts of Assam. If we look into the other main synoptic system, the approaching synoptic system, so that is the western disturbance, which is likely to affect western Himalayan region from 22nd of February. So under its influence, there is also a probability of formation of a induced low pressure area, induced cyclonic circulation over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood. And under its influence, as we have seen in the highlights, that there is likelihood of scattered to fairly widespread rainfall and snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And over plains, it will have very little impact and will be in the form of only isolated light rainfall over Punjab on 22nd and 23rd of February, and over Haryana on 22nd of February, and also over North Rajasthan there is a probability of isolated light rainfall over North Rajasthan as well. So and there is also probability of thunderstorm and lightning over Jammu Kashmir on 22nd of February, and over Himachal Pradesh on 22nd and 23rd February, and over Uttarakhand on 23rd February. As far as minimum temperatures are concerned, so that minimum temperatures would fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade till 21st February morning, and then they would start rising by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over Punjab, Haryana, West UP, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat and northern parts of Maharashtra. Then they would start again rising from 22nd of February till 23rd of February. And once this WD passes, moves away eastwards, the temperatures would fall again. And another thing is there, that on 20th and 22nd of February, there would be strong surface winds of the order of 20 to 30 kmph over Haryana, over Rajasthan, and over Uttar Pradesh. So that's all for today's Delhi weather briefing. Tomorrow we will again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.